Hi there. Here we have this very nicely converted VW Transporter camper conversion T5. It's the 84 kilowatts, so it hasn't got that infamous 180 brake engine that people run scared of. It runs really well. It's had a new gearbox and clutch and dual mass flywheel. Clutch, and I think it was just replaced in January this year, 4-piece clutch. So, and the gearbox was replaced a couple of years ago, I think it was in 23. Got the receipts. I think the gearbox was about £2,800. 5-speed gearbox it is. Very nice car, very nice condition. You've got the red roof. It's the zip out windows and everything else about front. Condition's very good. There's no catching in these scissor action. Bodywork's really good for its age. It's 20-inch wheels as well, with good tyres. Well, excellent tyres, to be honest. You've got that big black bar down the side bar. Got all the body kit. So 20-inch wheels. Let's show you what I can, and I'll show you all the inside. Rear mud flaps. You've got the detachable tow bar, the twin exhaust, rear parking sensors. It's only got the standard stereo in, so we're going to change the stereo and put a DVD sort of sat nav radio in it. I think that's quite an essential part of one of these. With all the LED lights all the way around, and there under the cupboards as well as on top of these. But you've got the 2 remotes to control those. It's got a nice little light that comes on when you open up that. And that's your deeper cupboard. You can put your chairs in there, you've got your fuses and stuff in there as well. Some additional storage under the bed storage, which when the bed's down you've got loads. You've got the curtains, which run really well, run easily. These tailgate lights you can switch on and off through there. That's it. You also got the proper, like the California style tailgate. So if it's raining, you've got some cover opposed to the barn doors. Let's knock those off, put that down. This memorial, I can say it, can be, they're only stickers on the glass. They can easily just be heat gunned and took off. So if you don't want them, we can actually remove those very easily. I think the VW on the side's really good. But again, that can be removed if you don't want it. Bodywork's really nice. Spoiler. Got these nice little scratch guards in all the handles. Just a lot of care and attention gone into this. Nice seats, again with storage under there. A little bit tricky with one hand, but I can do it. Look at the video. These rotate obviously, so it's a 5-seater. Then you've got your LEDs there, you've got some switchable lights. You've even got LED lights in here as well. So when you've got this remote now, we can go off. If I've got the right remote. I don't know, but you can change the colours and do all kinds of stuff anyway. So, oh, that's the one for there, look. So you just press that, that's off, press the on, and that does those as well. This cupboard lifts up there, and you've got quite a deep cupboard. You've got a nice little clip there that holds that up, which is a nice touch, so it doesn't drop on your head. That's your gas bottle there, 907 gas bottle. Can access from the front as well. These, I think people just put those in there. So we've got the voltage all reading there. You've got a 240 volt hookup. We've got the lead there, it's by the exhaust at the back, the twin exhaust. But then you've also got the charger, which charges the battery there, the leisure battery, as well as the standard battery. You've got your fridge and freezer. Nice little freezer box there. This drawer comes out a long way. That's where your cooking's, whatever, cooking book. Another drawer there. Nice little LED lights all around the bottom, by the way. They kind of set off, especially at night. That's your water. And then you've got that cupboard there that also goes to your gas bottle. And then you've got the other storage under here, which you can get access from the front or the back. This pulls out, you pull the lever and it just pulls forward very easily. I will take some pictures. Here, let's have a look at all the curtains all the way around. I like these because this particular roof, when it goes up like this, behind here you have got room for storage. You can put quilts and pillows behind there. You've got these lights here which you can switch those off on the top. So when the bed's down it makes it easier to use. Nice red roof. This has got the plastic behind this one, they zip out. So it's wind if it's a windy day. But on the sides, if it's hot, you want the ventilation, so you've got the mosquito nets behind here and here. I'll get the bed down and photo that. I'm not going to attempt that on video. Right, so you've got the non-slip floor. Lots of LED lighting. Quite a high spec, everything in it all works as it should. The sink is all there in nice condition. The gas hob, he says he hardly used, he only ever used to boil a kettle on it, that's all he ever used for it, and you can see by that it's hardly used. It's got cruise control, electric windows, heated mirrors, switchable traction control. That stereo I'll provide with the car, but we'll be putting a not rated one in. I've ordered it, I'm just waiting for it to be delivered. Right, that's that lead we access from the back. That's all your cupboards. Sorry, it's a bit shaky on the hand, it's a bit tricky sometimes. Right, these lights here, you can switch them off from there as you walk in. So then you've got your side, those lights there, little top lights, what we call them, and that's your outside light that shines out here. You also pay quite a lot of money to have this outside awning rail put on, which is the full length awning rail. So quite a nice thing. I think it was quite expensive to have that added. Got all the curtains and the bits and bobs inside. We've got all the carpets. Try and sort of show you, it's a bit darker, I'll sort of just try and put the door to a bit, just to appreciate the lights a bit better. But quite a pleasant sort of environment there, it's quite nice. Being a long wheelbase, you've got a lot more room here. Right, wheels and tyres are all good, they're 20-inch alloys. Got the side bars. Body works really good. You look down the sides. And so rear mud flaps. Tyre tread's all good. Detachable tow bar. Electrics. You've got the front spoiler as well. All all in all, I think she's a very nice price range van. A bit different to what I normally do, because I normally do Californias, which has got the electric roofs and all the other bits and bobs on it. But they're always short wheelbase, these are long. And although it's done high miles, it absolutely drives perfectly. I say I've driven it for the last couple of days just to double check everything myself, and with the gearbox being replaced and the clutch, it's absolutely lovely to drive. They're quite responsive as well. So if you're interested, give Wayne a call. It's on 07970 701166, and thank you for looking.